Hey y'all, it's Ari Janelle back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Glossier order that I made recently. I love unboxing things and it's one of my favorite things to do, so let's get into it. Take a pair of scissors and pop this box open, so let's do it. Okay, and my first impressions of the Glossier like boxing, shipping, packaging is, oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is the second time I've ordered from Glossier online and the third time that I've ordered in total, because I went to the New York flagship store once and that was really cool. Insert pic. Anyway, so I just picked up a few things from Glossier. I didn't get a ton of stuff. I got the Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector. So this is the first thing I got, and this is the package that it came in. Basically, I equate it to toner, but it's technically called the Solution or something. Popped it open, and okay, so this is how it looks. It's pink and super cute packaging. They always come through with the good packaging. And this is it, and it's once a day after cleansing pressed cotton pad on top of dispenser. So I got some of this stuff and I'm hoping that it will help clear up like my forehead. I've been getting a lot of forehead breakouts and I don't really know why. It might be because I've been using new hair products a lot recently. So you basically use this to, like, I feel like to go after you cleanse, to make sure you hit everything, because you know your cleanser doesn't always get everything. So I also got these Glossier cotton rounds to go with the Solution, just to apply it more easily. They were available next to it, so I was like, why not just save me a trip to Walgreens, I guess. This cute little cotton rounds, there's 60 of them in here. They just come with the little Glossier logo on them. Honestly, there's nothing special about these other than them being natural cotton. Eventually I am going to definitely make the move to reusable cotton rounds. And then this is the next thing that I got. I got the Future Dew and the cleansing face wash. I've been using this cleansing face wash since I think November now, and I absolutely love this stuff. It lasted me from November to now because I just ran out of my last bottle about a week ago, so I just wanted to refill up on this. This is what prompted the entire order in the first place. And yeah, so this is just jelly cleanser. It doesn't foam up like other cleansers, but it has like a really good pH balancing quality to it, and I like to accredit this to keeping my skin from breaking out. And then I also got this Future Dew stuff, which is oil serum. You apply this after your moisturizer as like a glowy like top coat that doesn't make you look oily and shiny like some serums would. Like I have on an oil serum right now and I feel like I look kind of like sweaty and greasy and not glowy, but this is supposed to make you look glowy. Okay, so I finally got the Glossier Future Dew open, and I finally got this. I've been wanting this since November also, but I opted not to get it because I didn't want to spend the extra dollar. But I was like, I've been thinking about it for like 6 months, 7 months now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it, and hopefully I'll be glad that I did. So this is the Future Dew oil serum. Like, I've tried the sample of it and it just made my skin look so glowy, and like I had this natural thing going on from within myself, and it was cool. And it's a pump applicator. I'm not gonna pump it out because I'm not gonna waste 1 ounce. It's literally 1 ounce, but I'm not gonna waste 1 drop of this stuff because it's kind of expensive. But yeah, this is it. It comes with a pump applicator, and I think you only use like 2 pumps for your whole face to give you that nice glow to finish off your look. This is my entire haul. It's very short. If you click this, thank you for clicking on it, and I hope you like my personality. This is not what my videos usually are lengthwise, but I figured why not record it, because who doesn't like watching people unbox overpriced skincare products? And about a week ago I did one unboxing overpriced hair products. So yeah. Oh, not to forget, I got these little cloud paint samples because this is another thing that I'm thinking about eventually buying. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a sample of it before I buy it. and they gave me the Puff and Storm samples, and I will be trying this. I will be trying one of them in one of my next looks, I guess, like next time I actually go outside. They gave me this little sticker for spring to summer 20, and it's so cute. It looks like a floaty or something like that with the little yellow outline. So this is super cute. I'm definitely gonna put this on something that I own. Yeah, all in all, that's the whole entire unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching me open up some Glossier, and I think the total of this order was, I want to say $60, but I'm not sure if it was $60. I got a gift card for my birthday for Glossier, and that's another reason why I was okay with spending that much on it right now, because I wanted to use up my gift card on some good stuff, so I did. Yeah, so thanks for watching me unbox this video. If you liked my video, please like the video. If you really liked my video and my face and my personality, please subscribe to my channel. My last video was how to get jeans for not too much money, and the video before that was all the clothes I own, and the next video I'm going to be making is going to be me braiding my hair, getting back into the hair side of my YouTube video. So thanks for watching and hanging along with me, and I'll see you guys very soon, aka tomorrow when I record again. So bye.